Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zendesk for customer support, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin center by clicking on the gear icon in the left sidebar. Select the channels option from the menu. Under channels, click on email to set up your support email address. Enter the email address that customers will use to reach your support team. Choose whether you want tickets to be created for every email received. Next, return to the Channels section and select Web Widget. Enable the Web Widget to allow customers to access support directly from your website. Customize the appearance of your widget to match your brand. Proceed to the People tab in the Admin Center. Add agents by clicking on Add User and filling in their information. Assign roles to each agent based on their responsibilities. Next, go to the Tickets section. Create ticket fields that are relevant to your customers' inquiries. Customize the ticket form to make it user-friendly, ensuring it captures essential information. Now, set up your triggers under the Business Rules section. Triggers automate responses and actions based on ticket events. Create a new trigger that sends an automatic acknowledgement email when a ticket is created. Go to the Views section to customize how tickets are displayed to agents. Create different views based on ticket status, priority, or assignee. Next, navigate to the Reports section. Set up reports to monitor ticket volume and agent performance. Use these insights to continuously improve your support process. Finally, test your configuration by submitting a test ticket. Ensure all notifications and workflows function as intended. Once satisfied, you're ready to start using Zendesk for your customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.